Business rule. This is very advanced and important module recently we have implemented. This module helps to reduce the bugs of tax selections and in the automation. These rules also helps to set up service charges and markup standards of the company. So the admin will have their own rights and controls on each type of sales. These rules can apply on all services like package tours, hotels, flights, train, excursions, etc. So let's see how to add the business rules of taxations and other rules. So new tax, the code of the tax, name, let's say CGST. We can select either in a percentage or the flat tax and their rates in a percentage. Similarly, we can add rest of the taxes. And you can save from here. You can add tax rules from either these sections or from here. So we'll add it from here. Select the tax, enter the tax name, validity, either it's a periodic or the permanent. Select the ledger which will affect from this GST tax. This tax is applied on which type of services, like all or the particular group tours, package tour, hotel, you can select it from here. The calculation mode, either the tax is inclusive or the exclusive. The target amount will be hit on service charge, basic amount, total, commission or the markup. So let's service charge. Because every tour operator have their own standards, some of the peoples will apply on the total amount, so will have on service charges or the basic amount likewise. Here we have the conditions. So when this CGST tax will be automatically applied. So in the conditions we can select the place of supply. It may be is not equal to or the equal to. So let's say is not equal to statement or the particular state. For example, the place of supply is Maharashtra and these services also we are providing, means the customer is also in the Maharashtra state. So this CGST tax will be automatically applied in any types of sales. So here you can add the multiple types of conditions. So the condition is for the routing, payment mode, target amount, supplier, customer type or a particular customer, product or the free time. You can save it from here. Similarly, we have the other rules. Means in the other rules we can define the standard service charges, markup and the commissions. So the sales team can assign particular service charges from these rules. So it's service charges for hotel, type, it's automatically or the manual, means this service charges will automatically calculated and the sales team or the operation team cannot be edited, or in the manual this thing can be edited. The validity, which ledger will be affected, the amount is applicable on the percentage basis or the flat, let's say percentage or the flat. targeted amount, basic amount, or the total or the commission, travel type, let's say hotel. Here you can define the conditions, or in these sections we can deselect it or the same. In a similar way, we can add rest of the rules for markup as well as on the commission. So whenever we will do this sales for the hotels, this service charge will be automatically calculated and the sales team can modify it. Thanks.